Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Trilen Suryaningsih. You can call me Trilen or Ningsih. I'm a student majoring in information system and at Alas University. Here I want to tell you about the software I and my non-IT friends use. First, I'll start with the software application I use, which includes WhatsApp, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Teams, Chrome, Bandicam, and Balsamiq. And for programming application, I use Borderland and Visual Studio Code. And for the system software, I use Windows 11. And then I asked some of my non-IT friends from a mathematics major, engineering major, and social science major about the software they use in their computer. So I got the list, which includes Microsoft Word, Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, Chrome, Microsoft Excel, AutoCAD, and SolidWorks. So for the first question, which is the difference between the IT and non-IT software you list? The difference between I and my non-IT friends, there is I use a programming application to support my learning process, like Visual Studio Code and Borderland. And for my IT friends, of course, they use the application to support the process, to support their learning process, like engineering major. Use AutoCAD and SolidWorks to design the graphics, and the rest mostly use the same application. And the next question is, which is the cheapest? Cheap or expensive application depends on the user, because some application may require payment before use. But for me and my non-IT friends can use the application without having to pay. So in this case, nothing is the cheapest because we can use the application without having to pay. And the next question is, which is the most expensive? Same as my previous answer, I and my non-IT friends can use the application without having to pay. So in this case, nothing is the most expensive because we can use the application without having to pay. And the next question is, which is the most or less reliable? Basically, all applications have uses depending on the needs of user. But for me, as an information system student, of course, the most reliable is programming application like Visual Studio Code. But there is the programming application that less reliable because it has been around for a long time and not many people use it anymore. And for my non-IT friends, of course they use the application to support their learning process, like engineering major use SolidWorks and AutoCAD to design their graphics. And the next question is, which is the difficult or easiest to use? In my opinion, the programming application I use is the difficult because to to use them, you need to understand the programming language first, and the most easiest one is Microsoft Word, because we can use it directly. And the next question is which is the best or worst application? In my opinion, according to my non-IT friends, the application they use can run well, same as my application too. So the best or worst application depends on the needs of user. And the last question is which is the most or least user friendly? In my opinion, the application I use, like programming application, are not user friendly, because to use them, you need to understanding the programming language to be able to use it. So it's not user friendly. And the most user friendly is Microsoft Word, because it's easy and understandable to use it. I think that's all from me. If there are any mistakes, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.